If you need a small and compact video light to carry with your gear, then this could be exactly what you need. The Weeylite S05. As LED panels have evolved, so have small pocket-friendly portable lights, and this Weeylite S05 packs in a whole host of extra features that make it a solid contender for the budget-conscious. Available in a range of colours to suit your style, the unit itself is plastic in construction, keeping it lightweight at just over 100 grams, yet it's compact enough to conveniently place into any standard shirt pocket, meaning it'll take up little space in your camera bag. A sealed diffuser covers the 108 LED RGB panel, which can match literally thousands of colours at a temperature range of 2800 right up to 6800K, with various venting holes on the bottom and side edges, enabling any heat generated from the panel an easy escape. Otherwise, we have a single USB Type-C port on the side, used alongside the included cable to charge the built-in 2000 mAh battery, good for 70 minutes of constant usage at the highest brightness, albeit taking around 3.5 hours for a full top-up. On the bottom, a standard 1/4" 20 thread for mounting the light, which is the only way to mount the unit for that matter, and although a cold shoe adapter is included in the package for easy mounting on top of a camera or cage for instance, personally I tend to use these lights with a small clamp mount, making them even more versatile when it comes to placement. The overall size of the S05 is slightly larger than its predecessor, the S03, and that's due to this OLED panel on the rear, providing a means of controlling and gathering feedback from the unit alongside several operational buttons. With that simplistic design comes simple control too. Keep the power button pressed to power up the unit, and once powered, tap the mode button to cycle between options on the screen, and the directional buttons on the right to toggle between and set ranges. Bear in mind the flickering you see picked up on camera here is not an issue when using the unit directly. By keeping the mode button pressed for a second, the unit switches across to a different mode entirely, where again we can tap the mode button to cycle between, and the directional buttons to change values. There are several different modes to choose between depending upon your shooting scenario and how you wish to set up the light being thrown from the panel, so some experimentation is needed to find what works best for you, although it's all pretty simple and straightforward to navigate and set. You'll even find a special effects mode which presents pre-programmed effects for you to use in your video projects. These are set effects though, so you can't actually edit or change them, but there are a large number to choose from, so you're bound to find something that suits. Saying that, the OLED panel is rather small, so most may find it easier to use the accompanying Weeylite Pro app, freely available on both the iOS and Android platforms. Thanks to integrated Bluetooth connectivity, the app picks up and connects to the light unit pretty much instantaneously, now providing the ability to visually switch between each of the modes and choose options with swiping gestures rather than button presses. It just makes the entire process quicker and easier. In fact, by holding the power button on a switched-on unit, we can choose from one of up to 19 channels and up to 6 individual groups. Over on the app, we can then select the corresponding channel, as well as one of the corresponding groups. In effect, this becomes the control desk for all your Weeylite Pocket RGB LED lights to achieve group control, so that multiple lights can work simultaneously, but with different lighting effects, meaning you will easily create the shooting scenes you want. The app works remotely at up to 20 meters too, depending on obstacles and the operating environment. The possibilities here really are endless. Versatility is a key feature of the Weeylite S05. While there are many small pocketable panels available to choose from, there is one good reason to look at the Weeylite family. The fact that you can control these small portable LED panels remotely through the Weeylite Pro Bluetooth app control system, in effect making a complete control desk for various lights dotted around the studio. The compact size, stable color temperature, and low energy and power consumption make the Weeylite S05 a portable solution ideal for photography, video recording, live broadcasting, and more. Thanks to the small size, they are excellent for tabletop shooting too, making it easier to place and hide lights around and behind objects while controlling them remotely from a distance. Due to its versatility and simple characteristics, it's a solution that works best in pairs or small groups, so buying 2 or more units is recommended as a starting option, which thankfully won't hurt your wallet either. In fact, you'll probably find you'll want to add more to your kit, especially because you can easily synchronize and control them remotely. They really are that good.